akin, meron kang sasabihin. Marami kang mga tanong na di mo kayang sagutin. Oo't malayo na siya, mahirap yan sa una, ngunit hindi ibig sabihin sa inyo'y the end na. Huwag kang makikinig sa sabi-sabi, hindi naman lahat parehong nangyayari. Buksan lang ang pinto, mahirap ang mawalay sa minamahal. Mga puso'y isusugal, naiiwang pangako. Bukas marahil ay hindi mo na alam, bahala na ang may kapal. Masanay ka muna, bakit ka magdududa? 2 years time lang siya, iha. Pagkakataong subukan kung kayong ang dalawa. Huwag ka nang insecure, I'm sure mahal ka niya. Scholar siyang musician, cum laude ka naman sa diliman. Konting pangunawa lang yan, lawakan mo na lang ang iyong isipan. Buksan lang ang pinto, mahirap ang mawalay sa minamahal. Mga puso'y isusugal, naiwang pangako. Bukas marahil ay hindi mo na alam, bahala na ang may kapal. Masanay ka muna sa wala, masanay ka muna sa wala.
Hi, Mang! At by this time, Papang want to greet you first happy 5th monthsary. In this 5 months game, we probably know that we are going to face more circumstances, problems, and misunderstandings. Besides, Mang, I still want us to become more stronger to fight all of these. It's not easy to face the reality that we can't be together by this time. They said, mostly a long-distance relationship was easy to break and won't last forever, because most of the couples lost their sparks and their feelings for each other. But I just want to show them up that we're not belonging to them, because we can wait till the right time came that we will never be apart again. The spark is lost, the feeling is gone. Well, iba sa atin dahil habang tumatagal, lalong tumitibay. Mang, I know it is not easy to hold a relationship which your special someone is in distance, but Mang, even if I'm not at your side right now, always take in mind that I'm always at your heart and right with who's always loving you. And Mang, I promise, malayo man ako, marami mang iba dyan na malapit lang, hindi na ako maghahanap pa ng iba. Because Mang, I already contented that I have you in my life that won't stopping to show me up how much you love me. At lagi mo lang tatandaan na mahal kita. I love you.
From sunlight to moonlight, every day I long for your touch and kiss. Only in my dreams I could get closer to you.